Hey guys, it's Bray the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you guys the must-do Walgreens deals for next week. I know I'm posting this video a little late. Happy 4th of July to everyone. Just been super busy, but I still wanted to get out some really hot deals and some savings for next week. We have some really good deals on some candy, some laundry products, and more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, take a second and hit that subscribe button. I do have a giveaway going on right now for some inserts, including the P&G insert with Tide coupons in it. So if you haven't entered in that giveaway yet, the link to the video will be listed in the description box. I will be choosing the winner tomorrow in my CVS haul video on Sunday. So you have one day left to watch that video and get entered in. So let's go ahead and dive right into these deals. Arm & Hammer is back. Buy one, get two free. No coupons or anything needed. Super beginner-friendly deal. Typically, they're $6.99. Pricing does vary per region. Sometimes it could be $7.29, I think is the highest I've seen it. So your cost can vary. If it's $6.99, your final cost is $2.33 each, which is a great deal. Sometimes we'll get them even cheaper when we have a $1 off coupon. When that happens, they'll have a sale for $2.99, use the $1 off, get them for $1.99. But when that sale is not going on and that coupon is not available, this is definitely the next best deal. Dove, so they are going to be on sale next week for the bath care products. Buy two, get 2,000 points, and they're going to be $5.99 each. I did check those buy one, get one free coupons. They expire today, unfortunately. There is a good deal at Walmart because there is Ibotta rebates for $1.25 back each at Walmart. So if that's a deal you want to do today real quick, definitely go ahead and do it to use up those coupons. Next week, we are getting a digital coupon for $2 off too. So again, super beginner friendly. Just make sure you download the app. That coupon will become available on Sunday. So tomorrow morning, go through your coupon folder and clip those coupons. Buying two of them and using that 2 off of 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $9.98. Get back the 2,000 points. Final cost is $7.98 for two, or just $3.99 each. Reese's Candy, they are going to be just 88 cents next week. There is also a $1 off 2 digital coupon. So buying two of them and using that digital, you'll pay 76 cents for both, or just 38 cents each, which is definitely a great deal on some candy. Pure, so I'm not sure what this is. It's a shave cream. I've never used it before. If you have, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I usually just use like the Chic Intuition razors that already kind of have the moisturizing bar on it. That way I don't have to worry about using shave cream. They are $5.99 next week. There is another digital coupon for $2 off. And when you buy one, you're going to get back 2,000 points. So putting the deal together, you'll pay $3.99. Get back those 2,000 points, making your final cost just $1.99, which is still a great price point, especially if you want to try a new product. Venus razors, there were some hot deals going on the current week for Venus razors. There was some freebies at CVS using the Checkout 51 offers. They were for CVS only. Walgreens next week is going to be some great deals as well. These are for the non-disposables. So it says on select Gillette Venus razors or razor systems, they're going to be between $9.99 and $12.99. So depending on which one you guys want to grab. Putting this together with the cheapest one, there is a $4 coupon that we got in the 628 Retail Me Not inserts. And right here in the photo, it says coupon savings. So you know there's not going to be a digital. Sometimes they'll give us some extra really cool digitals for the week. So we'll have to double check on Sunday, see what we have. We should be getting some more coupons as well in our inserts. We're getting 2 inserts on Sunday. You'll pay $5.99. You'll get back 3,000 points, making your final cost $2.99. And I did have a typo there. The coupon is not from the 628 Retail Me Not. That's for the disposables. These are not disposable. So this coupon is probably coming in the PG insert that we're going to get on Sunday. laundry products. So the last couple weeks we had the laundry product deal, buy 3 get 1 free. The current week and next week, they're going to be doing this deal for 4 of them are going to be $8. So I'm assuming this is going to run for a couple weeks like the other one did. So what you can do is grab one of each. You can mix and match. You can buy 4 Tide Simply if you want, however you want to do it. They are going to come to $8. You do have to buy 4 though. If you buy 2 or 3, it'll ring up as $2.99 each. Now, we do have some Tide Simply digital coupons for the liquid and for the pods. We may get some additional for Sunday. There's also some that are going to be in the PG insert or printable, or some may be printable from pgeveryday.com. So your final cost using 3 coupons would be $5 for 4 items or $1.25 each. And Febreze, we are getting some awesome buy 1 get 1 free coupons in our inserts. There's also going to be a 3 off of 2 digital coupon, which is in essence going to run the same way. Because they're on sale 2 for $6, if you used a buy 1 get 1 free coupon, it would still take off $3. So this is great that anyone can do this deal because it is a digital coupon, making your final cost just $1.50 each. Now it says select variety, so I'm not sure if the small spaces are going to be included or not, but here it's showing the Febreze fabric, which is awesome, and the Febreze Carven. So if either of those are some products that you would like to take advantage of, next week will be a great deal to do so. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, just drop a comment below. Let me know. There are some booster coupons that were available from the coupon folder. So it wasn't under any specific category, but definitely check, see if they're there. I clipped some more today, so they are still available. They have not disappeared yet. So definitely check your account, see what you have. I also saw a 2,000 point bonus on some dental care, 1,000 point bonus on some paper products. So there are some additional ones floating around there for you guys as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.